David DeLon, the Work-Based Learning Coordinator here at Kettering Fairmont High School. Today we're going to highlight our newest Career Tech program here at Fairmont, Advanced Manufacturing. From CNC machines, lathes, milling machines, grinders, and drill presses, our advanced manufacturing students learn to create precise, complex parts every day in our manufacturing lab. Additionally, we're also going to highlight and visit one of our advanced manufacturing business partners, Meridian Machining, who've employed a couple of our students through work-based learning agreements this school year.
We do a lot of different things. We do automotive, we do aerospace, we do from one simple part or a medical tool on up to gauges and fixtures to help these industries manufacture their own products. We also do reverse engineering work, a little bit of everything.
I wasn't accepted into the other CTCs, but they wanted me to be a part of this new one, so I accepted, obviously, and I just thought it'd be a good opportunity. I've learned how to run mills and lathes and stuff like that, and I'm able to read calipers and micrometers, which is something that I had no clue even existed before I did this.
A video on the news actually of the grant that Fairmont got and the new equipment they were getting, and to be honest, we didn't know that they even had a career program there, so we reached out and saw the capabilities and the equipment they're going to be working on, which is similar to what we have, and decided to reach out.
One day we went and toured the place, and I really liked it. It was pretty nice. Gave them my resume and they gave me back and I accepted the job and everything.
I called the owner and sent him my resume, and yeah, they liked it. They asked when I could come in, so I went in for the interview. It went really well.
So when they come here, they're a regular employee for us, so we help train them in our specific areas of what we're doing. They're running machines, they're checking their work, they're deburring their parts, they're kind of getting exposed to all the manufacturing process.
Just the small stuff at the shop, most machine shops, they have small stuff that needs to be done and the basics, and every person in the shop should know how to do the basics. Pretty much those, and pretty much what I'm going to need to know to work on a CNC machine, learn how to program, learn all about that stuff.
At Meridian right now is I'm just working on being able to be self-sufficient on the mills in there. So I'm just learning how to set up programs, tools, set up the parts in there, run it, make sure it's all okay, inspect it.
Draw out my designs and things I wanted to make on Solidworks, and I had the creativity to it. It was pretty fun.
I really like how you have to think a lot. There's a lot of problem solving and you have to do math and things like that. So it's just it's really fun being able to just, be creative and actually use my brain to figure out how to do this stuff.
We've had success, not just with the career program, but in general of younger people who are eager to learn something new, so they can adapt and learn quickly to how we operate here.